Come on, beer. Watch this. Alright guys, we're back at it. Hey, it's Tweety Bird, Worldwide Chrome. So we finally thawed out. We've got away from the winter time. And what better way to celebrate it than doing a crab boil? So that's what we're doing today. Tips, tricks, everything you can imagine here on the Hold My Beer channel. Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Let's go. See you shortly. Alright, so now we're crab boiling, right? In case you forgot, let me remind you how you do a real crab boil. What we're gonna do first, guys, some people use sausages, some people use whatever. Where at my house, we use neck bones, pork neck bones. So you put them in first. Okay, if you don't know how to get this going, I can't help you. You gotta at least know how to boil water. My apologies, all right? Put your neck bones in. We're gonna give them, we're gonna let them roll for maybe 20 minutes, guys. Now, while your neck bones are rolling, it's okay to put in your favorite seafood seasoning. All right, whatever you choose, whatever you want. Now, a lot of people go wrong with this. All right, they don't have enough seasoning in it, or they have too much of it in there. What you want to do for whatever quart pot you have, all right, you want to put in about 2 cups, 2.5 cups. All right. I've been doing this a long time, so I can eyeball it. That's what you want to do. All right. Then let it just come up to a boil. So those seasonings and everything will open up. Okay, they'll start to breathe. You know what I'm saying? Because if it ain't seasoned, if you're not sneezing, it ain't seasoned. All right. So you give it time, guys. This is not something you can rush. We are shooting for perfection. All right. Let's go. Let's do it again. All right. So now we have had our seasonings boiling. We've opened them up. We put our smoked meat in there, which is our densest piece of the crab boil. What we're gonna do next, guys? Bell pepper. And I don't know if you noticed the way I cut my vegetables, but I never cut through because I don't want things just floating around in there. Nice tip and trick. I'm just saying. We're gonna drop that in there. Next, vegetables. Same concept, same principle. Drop it in there. Forget about that. Drop that in there. And now we're gonna give these maybe another 20, 25 minutes. Then we're gonna drop the star of the show in there, and roughly an hour into a cook, guys, you're gonna have something good to eat that I think everyone would enjoy. And if this is your first time watching, please continue to watch. Okay, if you're returning, please return again. Okay, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. All right, if you've never given me a thumb up, give me a thumbs up. All right, if you never left a comment, give me a comment. All right, Worldwide Chrome, man, I love y'all. So we're back. Okay, we're showing you guys how to do the proper crab boil. Now what you do, get your corn. Get your corn. Okay, we had a rolling boil. The corn, I tried to thaw it out, but it didn't thaw out as fast as I wanted to. But we compensated for that with turning up our temperature. Yeah, one more. We're a small family. Yeah. Now, once you drop your corn in there, you know, we're gonna take some garlic cloves. Garlic cloves, peeled and everything. Not gonna overpower it. Mrs. Crumb loves garlic, me not so much. So this is a happy medium for us, you know.
Thank you for thinking about me.
Mm-hmm. I saw the garlic at the store, so I got them for her.
She like garlic.
Mm-hmm. And while you're doing that, what you can do is go ahead and put in some eggs. we're a small family again, so we're gonna put in 2 eggs per person. It's 3 of us, so we're gonna put in 6 eggs.
You can really do 4 because Spade don't eat eggs.
Yeah, so we did 4. All right, so then after that, we're gonna let this get back up to temp. Then we're gonna go ahead and put in our crabs. Everything's gonna come together at the same time thereabout. All right, and then 1 hour into it, you can eat, have you a good meal, relatively cheap, I would say, but who knows? The Hold My Beer channel, like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'm sorry, I'm tickled. So now we let our seasons open up. We let our spices open up. We let our garlic cloves open up and everything. It's time to go ahead and do what we came to do. We're gonna take our blue crabs. Drop them on in there, guys. Okay? Now, once you've done that, don't throw away your bag. But guess what? Once you've done that, we're gonna give these another 20 minutes, 22 minutes thereabout. And then I'm gonna say 15 minutes there after that, we're gonna eat some blue crabs over here at the Crumb household. All right, the Hold My Beer channel, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, let's go. All right, so once you do all those steps, this is what you get, guys. Let's take a look. You get your eggs, you get your smoked meat, you get your corn, and then obviously you get your crabs. So again, as always, salute. Thank you guys for rocking with the channel. I appreciate you. See you on the next one. These videos come out every Sunday, roughly around 6 p.m. Sometimes life happens. They may come out on Monday, but I love you guys, all right? It's the Hold My Beer channel. Worldwide Chrome, thumbs up. Let's go. See you soon.